Okay, so I'll just cut this out if it's nothing, but this monkey seems to be trying to get me to follow it. Oh, right, this area. And there's stuff over there, though. Yeah, there's a chest, and I don't know what that red dot means, but I'm gonna explore a little bit. Sorry, monkey. Twilight climb! Probably means that... Probably means I need a key. Which is probably where the monkey is. Or maybe it's... I don't know, the red dot's this one. Okay, I probably need to go in there. Maybe the red dot's some sort of boss. No, it's a monkey probably. Hello? He's down there, isn't he? We smashed the pots. Okay. Oh, a spider. Is that a spider? I don't want to fight you. I have to anyway. Die, spider! Okay, let's get him out of the corner. I don't think I can actually do damage to him when he's in the corner. Hey, Link! There! And I probably need oil. Actually, no, I can just go in there. What am I talking about? Okay, no, I wanted to... Okay, it's not that far. I see lots of spiders. And I see one of these things. And I don't see any of the bomb guys. I'm gonna take out the spider before I start looking. How's the skull? Oh! Poop. Okay, found one of the bomb guys. And I think I saw the monkey. Okay. Pick him up. And the wrong way. Do I have to make all the way up there? Ethan, or can I just... There we go, okay, good. Good. I wonder how much longer this dungeon is. Oh, red rupee. What's the lantern? I can't really see shit. Okay, I know I have to get up there. That's where the monkey... Oh, I think I know how to get up there. Where did I come from? The arrow is over here, but I don't see anything. Oh, it's over here. Where was it? Where's the vine? Oh, there it is. Okay, put away so I'm not wasting oil. I think I have... Up, Link. I think I have to make a lucky guess at which... Up! Jesus Christ! Stop getting stuck on nothing! Okay, I think I have to make a lucky guess on which spider web, and I think it's this one. Why are you back? Okay, let's get out of the corner. Spin attack! How do I do that? There we go. Is he dead? Okay, he's dead. Why is going down there respawn him? I wanted to put away. I think I put her away. Die, monkey! I saved you! Now let's get the hell out of here. At least I'm hoping the monkey can follow me. If he doesn't follow me out the door when I leave, then I'll come back in and find him. And, okay, the spider didn't respawn this time. I have no idea why. Oh, there he is. Or maybe this is the other monkey that was already over there. I think it is. Damn it. Okay, what the hell happened to him then? Man, I want to get all the monkeys. Because I'm assuming it's a piece of heart. And now would be a time that the spider would spawn. Okay, monkey. Monkey! Don't see him. Okay, fuck him then. Guess I won't get whatever it is, or maybe it counts because it's no longer a red dot on the map. I don't know. And just bolt for the door before the spider has a chance to kill me. And boomerang go. Wait till I'm on it though. Whee! Back to the up here. I already got a chest up here though. Wait, isn't this where I came from? Yes, it is. Damn it! I have been betrayed. And that monkey is really pixely and scary up close. Yeah, I should have remembered you have to climb to get to where the monkey wanted me to go. Nice. Ooh, the purple thing. Oh, I'm missing a few. 2. I guess in order for us to check out the temple completely, we need the help of the monkeys. Oh well, let's help the rest of them. I only see one on the map though. Oh no, there's 2. He wasn't counted as saved. What the fuck? Or no, that's the one behind where I need the key. Okay. Okie dokie. Whoa, that just looks so weird. No, didn't. No, Link, just calm down with your boomerang. What happens if I hit him with it? Lol. Die! I'm gonna kill you while you're up there. No, fuck you. You should give a heart because you took one of mine. Oh, whoops, wrong button. No, Link. Okay, hold. There we go. I don't really care about what they drop. And climby, climby, climby. Maybe it's required to get them. I thought it was like just gonna be a piece of heart, as I've said multiple times, but how she sort of said it there, it sounds like it's required to save all the monkeys. And then as far as I can go, so drop. Ew, didn't even notice you. Is there any others up there? Nope. Wonder if you could actually destroy these vines. Because leaves fell off. Probably not. That's probably just sort of a cool, sexy, aesthetic thing. But whatever. Grass. Cut the grass. Link doesn't like grass, apparently. All I got was a rupee. Oh, and here's a guy. Yeah. Here's some things. Pots. Ooh, nothing. Well, nothing worthwhile. What a shock. So there's gonna be a monkey in this room and maybe a key. I'm kind of hoping that's what the chest is. I could target the fucking thing. That would have been lovely. Are they respawning or were there 2? Okay, there was 2. Something else grabbed at me. Oh, was it you? Okay, I need a bomb. There's a bomb, I think. Okay, no, it's not. You're not a bomb either. I believe I said I need a bomb. And I need another one for that fucking rock thing there. Oh shit, I have to carry a bomb with the boomerang, don't I? There we go. Let's hope you don't hit anything. No, what? No! Why didn't the bomb stop there? Okay, let's try this again, and just, there we go. What the hell happened there? Why did it hit the wall? Game, please. Boom, 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 boom. Why is it hitting the wall? Why is Navi all weirded up? The hell? No! Game! 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 Stop it! Why is Navi like... If I push up, does it do something when Navi's like that? Why is Navi... Is that supposed to be a clue? Okay, I know I'm supposed to take that guy over here. Okay, let's try the rock first, because I can get him to just hit the rock and explode. Which will be a lot easier. There we go. Oh, there's someone up there. And here's the monkey. Maybe I need to do this first for some weird reason. No! No! Link! Target the threat! Target the threat. You can boomerang him. He's not a threat right now. And hey! I think there was another one over here. Yep. Hey. I don't know, this kind of makes me miss the beetle from Skyward Sword. I really liked the beetle. I don't know if other people did. I really did like him. And of course I need to bring a fucking bomb up here. Maybe that monkey will help. Maybe the monkey, I'm sure, to get in here. And let's just move over here so it doesn't hit me. Fuck. Okay, I guess stand way over here. That's not way over here. Yep. Monkey, I'm sure, to get in here will help. Damn it! How the fuck do you get this shit up here? Wait. Maybe just... No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, don't set a second one. And I think that's what I might have to do for that one. Down there, too. Just... Boom. He's up. Throw. Okay, I think that's what I have to do for the chest, too. Okay. I figured it out! Now, gold rupee. Or yellow rupee. Whatever color it is. Yeah, I think that's what I have to do. So let's stand over here so I can run a little bit. Where am I? Are you dying? No. So, boom. I now have him. Where are you? There you are. Should have targeted. Telling me those things don't instantly explode in water? That's weird. And boom! Finally! Yes! 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 I figured it out! Why did Lynx get there? Okay, key. Please give me a key. I don't know where else I'll find the key if this isn't a key. Okay, good. I don't think I've actually cut anything this episode, so... We're about 5:40. Well, there was the obvious start of the episode syncing thing. No, down. Just drop. Oh, I had to climb up that. Oh my god, this is gonna be annoying to have to... Well, I guess I don't really have to go up here anymore, but still. And we'll just get both. Rotate, because I need both to rotate anyway. Seriously, none of them were aligned to where I needed them. Well, I guess that one technically was, but whatever. Is the monkey gonna follow me? Because there was a monkey back here before. So... I actually kind of like the Wii Remote and Nunchuck for Zelda games. They work quite nicely, actually. Wrong way. But they work quite nicely, actually. Just being able to use the pointer. I know they said that... I think, at least I heard that Zelda U is going to be using Wind Waker HD's controls, which means probably no Wii Remote support at all, which kind of sucks. Hopefully we get a return of the camera controlling, because I've complained about it before. Why are you not popping up? I've complained about it before. And that one's just dirt. That's kind of mean. How am I supposed to get around it? He's not popping up. Damn it! Oh, wow! Die! But yeah, the camera that Wind Waker had, like, oh, it just turned them all up. I thought there was like a bunch of these guys under all of them. Like, being able to control it with the C-stick, I really want that because I've complained about this game's camera tons. So I think you guys should know. How was I not taking damage there? Backflip, and now. I wish the Skyward Strike was in this game. Okay, can I kill him? There we fucking go. And I'm probably gonna have to climb up there, so I might as well kill all these guys. Okay, all two of them. Oh shit. Wasted that. That still got him. And I hear the monkey. I'm going the opposite way for the monkey though. Oh no, I'm not. Monkey, you can stop yelling! So, monkey's gonna be in there. There's probably gonna be some sort of fight. So, I'll save him next time. See you guys then.